Guys, I got a very weird box. I'm scared. What's in the box? Look. Oh no. I found a letter and it says, Feelings Monster. Feelings Monster. Let's ask him how he is feeling. Hold on. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Hello, Mr. Monster. Hello? It doesn't answer. I heard something. I heard something. Hello, Mr. Monster. How are you feeling today? He's not feeling okay. He has mixed feelings. He doesn't know what he's feeling right now. I think we can help Mr. Monster to discover what he's feeling. You see? Okay, let's think. I know that sometimes we feel sad. Other times we feel calm. Other times we feel angry. No! And other times you feel happy. Now, what is Mr. Monster feeling? Do you have an idea? Let's ask him. Hello, Mr. Monster. I think he's angry. Look, the color changed. What is Mr. Monster feeling? Mr. Monster, hey. Oh no. Oh. No, don't be sad, Mr. Monster. Ta-da! Mr. Monster, I brought you chocolate. What is Mr. Monster feeling right now? Huh? I knew it! What is Mr. Monster feeling right now? Huh? What about you? How are you feeling? Are you happy? Sad? Angry? Calm? How are you feeling today? Tell me. Let me know. Bye-bye. Oh, I love you too, Mr. Monster. So tell your family you love them.